P0269 explained, "Hey gearheads! Today we're diving into the nitty-gritty of engine trouble codes, specifically the infamous P0269. Ever seen the dreaded check engine light flash on your dashboard? It's enough to make any driver break into a cold sweat, gives you that sinking feeling, right? It's like your car is trying to tell you something, but in a language you don't understand. One code that often pops up is P0269, and it can be a real pain. This code is related to the fuel injector circuit on cylinder number 3. This code indicates a problem with the fuel injector circuit on cylinder number 3. Essentially, it means that the fuel injector isn't delivering the right amount of fuel. In simple terms, your engine's not getting the right amount of fuel into that cylinder. This imbalance can cause your engine to misfire or run inefficiently. This can lead to a whole bunch of performance issues like reduced power, poor fuel economy, and even potential engine damage. But fear not. Understanding the problem is the first step to fixing it. By knowing what P0269 means, you're already halfway to solving the issue. So, let's dive deeper into what causes this code and how to tackle it head-on. Stay tuned as we break down the common causes and the best solutions to get your engine running smoothly again. So, how do you know if you're dealing with a P0269 issue? This error code can be quite tricky to diagnose, but there are some clear indicators that can help you identify the problem early on. Well, there are some telltale signs your engine might be trying to tell you something's up. The check engine light is often the first clue, but there are other symptoms to watch out for. You might experience rough idling, like your engine's about to stall. This can be particularly noticeable when you're stopped at a light or in traffic. Acceleration can become hesitant, making your car feel sluggish. This hesitation can be dangerous, especially when merging onto highways or overtaking other vehicles. And in some cases, you might even notice a drop in fuel efficiency. Not good. Frequent trips to the gas station can be both frustrating and costly. Now, what causes this fuel injector mayhem? Understanding the root cause is crucial for effective repairs. Several culprits could be at play. It could be anything from a simple clog to a more complex electrical issue. A faulty injector is a common one. Over time, injectors can wear out or become clogged, affecting their performance. Worn-out wiring or a bad connection in the circuit can also be the root of the problem. Electrical issues can be particularly tricky to diagnose and fix, requiring a thorough inspection. Before you can fix anything, you gotta know exactly where to look, right? Locating cylinder 3 is easier than you might think. First, you need to identify cylinder 1, which is usually at the front of the engine. Once you've found it, refer to your trusty owner's manual or do a quick online search for your car's specific engine configuration. This will tell you the firing order and arrangement of the cylinders, making it a breeze to pinpoint cylinder 3. With cylinder 3 located, it's time to get down to business. This is where the real work begins, and it's crucial to follow each step meticulously. First, inspect that injector. Start by disconnecting the negative battery cable safety first. This step ensures that you won't accidentally short any circuits while working. Then, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the injector. Make sure to handle the connector gently to avoid any damage. Using a multimeter, you can check the injector's resistance. This tool is essential for diagnosing electrical issues in the injector. If it's outside the specified range, you've likely found your culprit. An out-of-range reading indicates a malfunctioning injector that needs attention. Inspect the wiring and connector for any damage, looseness, or corrosion. These issues can cause poor electrical connections and lead to injector problems. Remember, a visual inspection can reveal a lot. Look for any signs of wear and tear that might not be immediately obvious. If you find any issues, replace the faulty component. This could be the injector itself, or any related wiring or connectors. If everything checks out, the problem might lie elsewhere in the fuel system. It's important to consider all possibilities when diagnosing engine issues. Further diagnosis might be needed. Advanced diagnostic tools can help pinpoint the exact issue, ensuring your engine runs smoothly again.